This is a beehive I built several years ago now. I made it out of literal trash and just materials I could find. I didn't really have much money to actually get beekeeping equipment, so um, what I did was just used what I had available. So whether that was some scrap, just some scrap wood, 2x4s, a bunch of old foam insulation, and I just glued that to the outside of the box. Just a simple piece of plywood top, and just painted it all up white to protect it from the elements. And as you can see, the bees have made their own modifications to the hive. Say they are very good at eating through this foam. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look on the inside of this hive. Alright, go ahead and open her. Alright, as you can see, even though the hive's made of trash, it still keeps bees pretty well. Currently the bees are covering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 frames currently. Actually, yeah, 11 frames right now. And they can fill up this whole box. In the spring, I went ahead and did a major split on them, only left like 3 frames of bees. So they're actually doing pretty good in this box. Let's go ahead and take a frame out real quick. Alright, let's go ahead and take a frame out real quick. It's got some larvae, cap brood, and a bunch of nectar. There's a bunch of cap brood right there. All those empty spaces you're seeing is a bunch of nectar they're bringing in for the hive. So there's pretty good nectar flow going on here where I'm located. Yep, she is in there laying. Not too bad. What's happening is they're getting plugged out by nectar. So when you get a major nectar flow like this, the bees, the workers, and the queen will compete for space. So the queen wants to lay eggs, the workers want to put nectar, so what you end up with is a brood nest. Kind of looks like that. Here, the inside of this thing, I just tacked boards onto the inside of it just to hold the frames. The bees don't mind it. There is a little gap underneath, but the bees, it's not enough that they're going to draw comb out. So it works out pretty good for them. Now I have a lot better hives than this one. A lot of just regular Langstroth hive. I think what this hive shows is that even if you don't have a a lot of money, you can still make it work keeping bees. You just have to be a little bit creative in your hive design.